Alrighty, hello. Let's take a look at horizontal rules and line breaks. So first things first, I'm going to work on one of the paragraphs that we actually have at the very beginning. We created these two paragraphs here. And so I've got a paragraph and I've got a second paragraph. And let's say I want some sort of line in between them. I have this thing called an HR, a horizontal rule. And because it doesn't take any text inside of it, it does not need a closing tag. Again, this is a self-closing tag, just like image. Let's go ahead and save this. And it should show up right in here. And so when I go and refresh, bam, there it is. It shows up right there. And a horizontal rule is a block element. It's going to take up the full width, as you can see. It takes up the full width, and all it is a line between your text. So it's really good for separating headers or content or things like that. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you was a BR tag. So we have a horizontal rule, but we also have a BR tag. So let's say we wanted to separate this onto its own line, but not its own paragraph, but we wanted it to look like this. So we have our first line of lorem here, and then audio, sunt, whatever, is on its own line as well. Okay, so I just saved that, and VS Code just automatically fixed that up for me. So if I go back to the page, nothing's changed. And again, that's because in HTML, white space is not important. Your browser doesn't care about it. What it does care about is if you want a new line, you can just type BR. And this is simply a line break, BR for break. And if I save and refresh my page, we're going to see that right here is going to be a new line, just like that. So this started a new line over here. And now we have a horizontal rule and a line break side by side. Or I guess not side by side, but you know, in the same lesson. What I would like you to do is give both of those a shot. This is super easy. Shouldn't take you more than about 30 seconds, maybe 60 seconds. Create a horizontal rule and then create a line break inside of a paragraph.